Well, here's a look at your tech headlines today. Does your favorite NFL player get more than his fair share of salary? Artificial intelligence is now being used to decide. The National Football League is using technology to determine whether some players are getting overpaid. The analytics company called Pro Football Focus helps teams decide players' salaries by delivering performance data. The system works with Amazon Web Services to provide the metrics of all 32 NFL teams. Scientists measure information such as player difficulty, dropped receiver passes, catchable passes, and runs that gain a first down after broken tackles. That data is then translated into a monetary number to reflect a player's overall value. Early results to show some teams are overpaying their players by millions of dollars. You heard that right. The company hopes the information will be used to even the playing field in the Professional Football League. Well, it's a bird, it's a plane. Nope, it's just a drone with a flamethrower attached to it. You heard that right. The company ThrowFlame is selling a flamethrower you can hook up to your drones. It lets them spit out fire from the sky. So the attachment stores a gallon of fuel and can shoot flames for a little more than a minute. This flamethrower also has a firing range of up to 25 feet. The company says it's designed to burn brush and remove things like hornet's nests, but it may also burn a hole in your wallet. That flamethrower is selling for just under $1,500. Neat idea there. Still don't see how it's legal, but I don't make the rules. Joe, I do want to talk to you about the NFL thing. What do you think about that?
Yeah, it's a really interesting study. One of the things that people look at a lot is the quarterback salary compared to how much of the percentage of the overall salary of the team they take up.
Yeah.
There was some study that showed if a quarterback makes more than 13% or more of your team's overall salary, that team has not been to the Super Bowl in a long time.
Wow.
So concerns for some of the QBs who are making like $30 million and stuff like that for their teams. But anyway, interesting stuff. I don't make $30 million.
I do.
Cool. Got to talk to the bosses.